SQL Loader control files. SQL Loader control file really contains certain information and certain syntax rules. The control file can contain the input data file data itself or references to those input data files. The control file contains information on how to load rows. It contains column delimiter details. It also can contain some instructions on how to deal with null values. It can contain filtering in the form of when clauses. Additionally, the control file can actually push data into multiple tables at the same time and in multiple formats implying that more than one data file can be passed into either one or more tables within the same SQL Loader control script, or in other words, the same SQL Loader execution. There can also be quite extensive column specifications for each column within the row of data in an input data file. Complexity is an issue. SQL Loader can be very simple. It can also be highly complex. My perspective is that complexity lowers the practicality of using SQL Loader. The more complex you make the scripts, the easier it can become to actually use insert statements. The other issue with complexity, for instance, including SQL commands within the row specifications in the control file for each row in the input data file, forces use of conventional path loads. Every row can have a piece of SQL executed on it for each column within that row. Direct path loads are much more efficient in that they simply append data to the end of data files.